welcome back to my channel. Today I had to film this right away. I got this today, and this is like pre-recorded one now, because when you see this I would have already delved in. I just couldn't contain myself and I had to have a look what was in it. So today I'm coming at you with Pink Parcel. Please turn me over. Oh right, okay. So yeah, Pink Parcel is huge, guys. Like huge, humongous. Like cannot believe. So what is Pink Parcel? So Pink Parcel is a monthly subscription box. It's £11 plus free delivery every month, and it's a period box. I'm gonna be point blank honest. If you don't want to talk about that sort of stuff, you probably don't want to watch this video. But it's a monthly box with there's a section for you, which has got beauty items and normally a sweet treat. It's my first box, but I've watched previous unboxings before. I'll just clarify something. No, we're good. I'm not having camera issues today. I'm having a good day. So it's, as I said, it's got branded like towels and tampons and things like that, panty liners as well. You can choose whether you want just pads or mixture, and you have some for now, some for later. You have the night ones, and something for you, which is really good. So I got this box for free. I wasn't sent it. It's huge. It didn't even fit through my letterbox, by the way. And on the envelope it said, "Please be fragile with me today. I'm feeling fragile," which I thought was brilliant. But it wouldn't fit for my letterbox, but it is huge. I got this for free because I managed to snipe a free code off this Facebook thing I'm on. So I thought, well, why not? What have I got to lose? So I thought, let's try it, let's do it, let's unbox it. So let's get straight to it. So when you open the box, it's a monthly thing, Pink Parcel. I'll show you what it looks like. I mean, it probably looks really small on camera. I'm like tipping it, but it's huge. So you've got some leaflets in it. Hello Fresh, and I'm not going to read that one because I think that's something that's in it. And it says, "Your Pink Parcel Post, Positivity Parcel." So I'm guessing this is all about a new January, and this is a leaflet. I'm not going to look because I don't want to. I don't want to look. I'll have a look after there's any spoilers. But yeah, so this comes with for night. So I picked a mixture of both because I do use both. I'm not on every month because I get the injection, but it's handy to have. So I've picked, these are Always. They have brands like Always, Lightlets, Body Form, and things like that. So they're the night ones, and you get 5 or 6, which is pretty good. And you can pick whether you're normal, heavy, light, whatever. For later, which is this box, I don't know what's in this. Obviously it's going to be sanitary products. Oh right, okay, so you've got tampons and pads. Quite a few actually. It's really good value, this, guys, especially when like you can spend, like if you say you've completely run out of everything. You know, tampons and pads and things, they're not cheap regardless where you go, regardless what make you get. They're not cheap. If you want good quality ones, I normally use Body Form, that's personal, but I don't care. Because, well, let's just liberate periods, I don't care. So, it's not a naughty thing to talk about, you know. I use Body Form, and, you know, I tend to buy like 2 packets and then I stock up. But if you're going to buy tampons, panty liners, everything, it's going to work out more than £11. And you're getting something for you, which is great. You get this really cute little bag. This is really drawskin now. It's a drawskin bag. It says "For Now" on it. And this has got panty liners and tampons in it, which is quite cute. But I always use these little bags for like my charger, if I'm taking my charge, or makeup that I don't want to spill in my handbag. I always use these little bags for. When I used to get my little box, I use the little bags for everything. And let's just get on to it. I'm so excited, guys. Obviously I'm going to say how much they are in the leaflet. The For You box. Ooh. Feels quite heavy. I'm excited. So let's look. Firstly, let's clarify I'm still filming. I know this is such a like bad YouTuber thing, but my camera doesn't let me know. It just stops recording, and even though I've got a really fancy, no, we're still good, Canon camera, I will try and cut this out as best as I can, but yeah, I don't know why, it's not as, ooh, it's got loads of stuff in it. Look guys. Ooh. Happy. I guess it's all about detoxing and feeling positive for New Year, and like, because I'm done with like Sunday dinners and I'm done with chocolate at the moment. I'm just like, I want to eat healthy stuff. I've been eating a lot of fish. You don't know I'm pescatarian, and I don't have dairy apart from a bit of cheese here and there, but I just want, and obviously chocolate, but I'm just done with it. Like, I'm just feeling really like bland and sluggish, you know what I mean? So let's just get on with it, okay? Oh, okay. So let's get on with the sweet thing. I think I have got this in another box. I got that in the tea box I did. I've not tried it yet, so that's good because my partner can have this one. So it's the Montezuma's milk chocolate and lime, organic chili lime, guilt-free snacks. It's guilt-free, but still it's 500 calories per 100 grams, and this is 30 an hour. But if you're on your time of the month, you're gonna want chocolate, guys. Let's face it. But that's what that looks like. I'm gonna give this a go with a nice cup of coffee, I think. Really think that'll be nice. And we've got Banzi. It's in a cute little packet. Look at it. It's so cute. Another little pouch I can put stuff in. I sound like I'm such a weirdo. Okay. Oh, great. Okay, so it's three little ties that you can use for your hair. I love these, and I also use the ones that look like foam wire as well. Oh, so cute. Because when I put my hair up, because my hair's like a problem, it basically stops the massive lump with the normal hair bubble. I shave my hair up most of the time when I'm in the house, and I don't want like a line where I've had it, so these are really good. And you can also wear them as bracelets as well. I think I've seen the YouTube use them as bracelets. But you get 4 of them, so that's good. Let's see how much everything is, shall we? That's what I should be doing really. Professional YouTuber much. Okay. Oh, I don't want to look. Okay, so Banshee, sweep your hair back, strive forth on these adventures. These gorgeous hair ties will lock your locks in kink free, and they're unsnappable too. £5.95. These are retail for £5.95, or with a Banshee prescription they're £4.95. So really good though, really good. And chocolate. There is no price for the chocolate, so it must just be a little added extra sweet treat. I'll pop this in there. I love 4-string bags. I just love it. Okay, so the next item is, let's go for this one. Oh, great. Oh, I'm so happy that I've got this. Made by Cooper's Happy Lime Basil Chamomile Spray. Handmade, 100% organic. Room spray, atmosphere spray, in the shade, in the scent Happy. Made by Cooper's. It looks like this. Show you. I will take pictures as well and insert them because I don't know why, I just like to do that. And I've followed them on Instagram for such a long time. They do a sleepy one as well, and I've really wanted it. And I've been seeing people sell it on Depop and Facebook, and I'm like, oh, how much? And I'm glad I put off buying it. Okay, okay. Has it been leaking? No, it hasn't been leaking. Okay. Okay. It's more on the, I thought it was going to smell more orangey. It is more on the basil-y side. Actually, no, it's becoming more orangey. The top notes are like basil, but like more of a herby smell. But now it's relaxing in the air a bit. It's quite orangey. It's quite fresh. It's not happy, I wouldn't say it's happy for me. Like, I like sweet things and like really floral, fruity smells, but that's really nice. And this is, and I think these are quite expensive to be honest. What does it say? Made by Cooper's Aromatherapy Happy Spray. Spray this zesty mix of lime, clementine and basil into the air or onto your pillow. The great essential oils are great mood boosters, especially when the PMS strikes. £12 for 30 ml, and this is a full size. £12. Fab! So I really want to get this box, but there's like, if I get it every month, it's kind of a bit of a waste because I'm not regular with my PMS, so it would be a lot of tampons and stuff. And okay, the next item is, let's go for this. Oh, Brill! Oh, that's so good. So lip coat, I'll just show you what it is. This is brow coat, waterproof brow gel. And I'll imagine this is full size. Yeah, I'll imagine it's full size. So tame brows with set brow makeup for hours. It's waterproof brow gel. That's so good. So Lipco are a brand that do this seal that you put on your lips and it seals your lipstick in. It's so 80s, like I think my mum used to wear it. Like, it's so 80s. But they brought out this. Oh, Brill. So if you don't know, I have my eyebrows tattooed on. I'm due to have another top up microbladed in late January if I can. And I'm going to go a bit darker. But I do like, because I've slightly overplucked. Sorry, Lindsay. She hates me because I keep overplucking. But because I've overplucked, I'm filling in a little bit. But I don't put a lot in. And it's a clear brow gel. It's so cute. What can you say? Everyone needs a good clear brow gel. And it's universal because it's not tinted, so that's good. I'm happy about that. I almost saw, they sent me an email before with the spoilers and I almost looked, like I scrolled down and I saw that what was in it. I was like, quick, quick, quick. But I didn't want to see it. So I'm really happy with that. And that, what does it say about this? Oh right, okay, the chocolate's on the back. The chocolate is 99p, by the way. And the brow gel is, it says here, how, if you're going to sans makeup, have confidence in your brow game. Groom them as normal, evenly brush through a little bit of brow coat to help them set in shape. $6.99. I think that's quite good for a brow gel, $6.99. Okay, let's pick out, we'll pick out this. I don't know what this is. Okay. Veggie Essentials and Nutritional Powder. Made with real plant-based food ingredients. High in protein, minerals, fibre, omega-3 low in sugar. Plant-based veggie. Okay. That's what that looks like. It's got loads of vitamins in it on the back. Folic acid, calcium, iron. Oh, that's actually really good. Shake it, blend it, bake it. Oh, right, okay. So I think it's like protein shake, but the ingredients are really good. Pea protein, flaxseed, cocoa powder, fruit and vegetable powder, broccoli, kale, spinach, tomato, apple, pomegranate, orange. There's loads of good stuff in this. Dairy free, gluten free, for vegetarians and vegan, no GMOs. That looks good. I'm looking to, I've recently been looking at eating much better. I have been, says I had a Papa John's last night, but still, I'm looking to eat better. Eat what we normally do, but make it healthier. So there's a really good documentary cooking program, Tom Kerridge's Lose Weight for Good. And it's just like eating what you want, for example, if you want curry, but make it so healthy. So yeah, that's really good. So what does it say about this? Create a tasty shake using our delicious chocolate powder. Oh, it's chocolate powder. Packed with 13 essential vitamins. Pop a scoop into 300 ml of cold water or mix into your favourite smoothie. Okay, and these are £30 for 613 grams. So I'd imagine this is a massive bag. I might pop this into a smoothie. Yeah, might pop this in a smoothie. It says put this in non-dairy milk, banana ice. Yeah, I might pop this in a smoothie after the gym. Why not? I'm not really into these shakes. I don't really like Slim World or anything like that. But yeah, Slim Fast, that's the one. But really good. Happy, can't moan. And the next last thing, oh, and every month it comes with a tea. So if you've watched my previous videos, I love tea. I've just got a new glass cat cup, it's so cute. Oh no, there's one more item, but I'll show the tea. So the next thing is We Are Tea, Sencha green tea, 1 whole leaf tea bag, revitalising and inspiring. I don't know how tea can be inspiring, but yeah, really good. Tea, love green tea. I drink it every day. I don't really get ill, so that's good. Really good tea, and I think you get a different tea every month. I've really been loving the Taylor's sweet rhubarb tea out of the tea box that I got. I love it so much. So nice. And the last item is a makeup item. Okay, so it's I'm probably gonna butcher this. Latte Teas Cosmetics eye pencil, and it is paraben free and yeah, paraben free. I don't know if it's cruelty free. I don't think so. Night blue. Okay. Don't really buy any blue stuff, but that's that. Okay. Let's open it. I've got no nails on today, guys. My fingers are so sore. Okay. Just switch it. Oh, okay. So that's really nice. Just a basic pencil. It's not a coal one. Oh, it's really nice. It's like an indigo colour. I don't know if you can see that. It's not navy. It's not black. It's kind of in between. That's a workable colour. I can do that. That's good. And that is what did it say? Latte Teas eye pencil. Get your makeup game strong and on point even when you feel rubbish. Just glide the eye pencil. Get one of 4 shades. Okay, I got the bluey black, so that's good. Smoothing along your upper lash line for sleek definition. £18. £18? I've never heard of this company, but £18? That's crazy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tot up everything and I'm going to put the price somewhere around on my face or here, and I'm going to say, but I've looked at unboxings before of this and the value is amazing with these. Oh, and it's a collab with, I don't know if it's a collab or whether it's a quote, but it says, it's your body and you need it, love it when it needs you. Jade Jocelyn, fitness blogger and YouTube star. Okay. See if there's any spoilers. No spoilers for next month. I want to get next month now. It's such a good value box, guys. £18. The price I said, well, tot up here. £12. £5. £7. It's such good value. I'm so glad I got this, guys. Let me know what was your favourite out of the box. That stuff is definitely leaking. Yeah, that's leaking on me. But I'll just smell like basil, it's fine. Yeah, let me know what was your favourite item out of the box. And if you get it, let me know what colour shade you got. I'm so happy. There will be a blog post on this, so expect to see that soon. I'm uploading now on a Sunday or a Monday, so expect video Sunday or Monday, because it gives me my weekend, but then Mondays it gives me time to edit and get up. So it depends on what day, what I'm feeling, but it was Sunday or a Monday. Guaranteed a video and blog post every week, and I will speak to you soon. Bye.